Mobile web camera is an application which provides additional functionality for mobile phone. It allows to use mobile phone as a web camera for your PC, desktop computer or notebook. Video can be streamed from the phone, from the camera on the phone, over Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or USB to your PC computer, and used in any application which is using USB web cameras, like Skype, AOL Instant Messenger, MSN Messenger, and so forth. Here I'm starting mobile web camera application. So in order to connect, I have to select a connection type on PC side. It should be either USB, Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, and I will be connecting over Bluetooth. And next time I will be connecting, I don't have to select it because it remembers the selection. On device side, I'm selecting Bluetooth as well. This is my notebook discovered on Bluetooth. And this is a video from the camera. This is a video stream which is received on PC. And I can use this video stream in my Skype by selecting mobile video source in web camera settings. So here's a stream in Skype window. This stream can be used in any application which is using USB web cameras. Mobile Video Studio is a conversion tool which allows to convert any video to your mobile device. We have pre-configured settings for any S60 devices, which allows user to get any video to mobile device with one single drag and drop. When starting Mobile Video Studio application, it also immediately recognizes that device is connected, and it automatically recognizes the device model. In this case, it's Nokia E66. I can navigate file system on the device. Then I can take any video from YouTube, and I can drag and drop this video in the application window. Right now, video is converting to the device, and it will be optimized for the best playback on this particular model. And now it's copying to the device over Bluetooth. On USB, it is actually much faster. Now, go to video clips, and this video is here. And that's all you have to do to play video on your device.